Hi guys, a good day to everyone. We are here to give you an information and knowledge about our topic that given to us. So let's start. First off, what is test? Almost everybody has experienced testing during his or her life. Grammar tests, driving license tests, examination tests, and many more. A test is used to examine someone's knowledge of something to determine what the person knows or has to learn. Test measures the level of skills or knowledge that has been reached. An evaluative device or procedure in which sample of examinees' behavior in specific domain is obtained and subsequently evaluated and sourced using a standard process. What are the different types of tests? The first type of test is diagnostic test. This testing is used to diagnose what the student knows and does not know. Diagnostic testing typically happens at the start of the new phase of education, like when the student will the start of learning of a new unit. These tests cover topics student will be taught in this upcoming. Second type of test is formative testing. This type of test is used to gauge the student learning during the lesson. It is used throughout the lecture and designed to give the student and to understand the material. The third type of test is benchmark test. This test is used to check the whether of the student have mastered a unit of content. Benchmark testing is given during the after of classroom focus on the section of material and covers either the part of all content has been taught of all the time. The last type of test is summative test. This test is used to check point at the end of the year, of course, to assess how much the student learned overall. This type of testing is similar to benchmark testing, but instead of only covering one unit, it cumulative covers everything students have been spent time throughout the years. So what's the relation and difference in testing of assessment? Tests are done after the instruction has taken place. It's a way to complete the instruction and get the result. The result of the test don't have to be interpreted, unlike assessment. A test is a product that measures a particular behavior or set of objectives. Meanwhile, assessment is seen as a procedure instead of product. Assessment is used during and after the instruction has taken place. After you receive the result of your assessment, you can interpret the result in case you need it.
Measurement, on the other hand, refers to the process by which the attributes or dimension of some physical object. However, when we use some standard instrument to determine how long, heavy, hot, cold, voluminous, fast, or straight something is actually is. Standard instruments refer to the physical devices such as ruler, scales, thermometers, pressure gauge, and etc. We measure to obtain information about what is it. Such information may or not be useful depending on the accuracy of the instrument and our skills by using them. We measure how big a classroom is in terms of square feet. We measure the temperature of the room by using thermometer, and we use an ohmmeter to determine the voltage, amperage, and resistance in the circuit. All these examples are not assessing anything. We are simply collecting information relative to some established rule on standard. There are two types of measurement: objective and subjective. Objective measurements are more stable type of measurement in the sense that repeated measurements of the same quantity or quality of interest will produce more or less the same outcomes. Example of objective is multiple choice type of test. In a multiple choice test, if the answer is letter A, no matter who will check the test paper, the answer will never change. It will always be letter A. That's why it is stable. While subjective measurement, it is unstable and dependent on the perception of one doing the rating, and it differs from one assessor to the next even if the same quantity or quality of interest is being measured. Example of subjective is an essay. It would depend on the checklist perception if the teacher is into grammar, flowery word, or the text context of the said essay. That is why it is recommended the teacher should not know the name of the writer while checking an essay, and also teacher should be use rubrics. Let's move on. What is the relationship of measurement to test? From the meaning and definition, it is obvious that a term test, measurement, and evaluation are interrelated. The tests are a specific instrument for measurement administration. Without tests, measurement is not possible. In assessment, there are three purposes: assessment for learning, assessment of learning, assessment as learning.
What is assessment for learning? Assessment for learning happens during the learning, often more than once rather than at the end. Students understand exactly what they are to learn, what expected of them, and are given feedback and advice on how to improve their work. In assessment for learning, teachers use assessment as an investigable tool to find out as much as they can about what their students know and can do, and what confusions, preconceptions, or gaps they might have. What is assessment of learning? Assessment of learning is the assessment that becomes public and result in statements or symbols about how well students are learning. It often contributes to parietal decision that will affect student features. It is important then the underlying logic and measurements of assessment of learning be credible and defensible. Through this process, students are able to learn about themselves as learners and becomes aware or how they learn, becoming the cognitive or knowledge of one's own thought processes. What is assessment as learning? Assessment as learning helps students to take more responsibilities for their own learning and monitoring future decisions.
Formative and summative assessments. In a nutshell, formative assessments are quizzes and tests that evaluate how someone learning material throughout the course. Summative assessments. Summative assessments are quizzes and tests that evaluate how much someone has learned throughout the course. What is evaluation? Evaluation uses methods and measures to judge students' learning and understanding of the material for purposes of grading and reporting.
Assessment and evaluation. They have a distinct difference. Tests can be a type of assessment and evaluation, but we're not going to focus on them for the purpose of the topic. Instead, we're going to focus on comparing assessment and evaluation, both differences and having worked together. First, assessment is multidimensional data that provides feedback. This is to identify students know or what they able to do. This usually comes as part of the process, and while evaluation is judgment about quality based on a set of value, typically used as a measurement of effectiveness to determine success and does not have a feedback, and it is the final output. Assessment is formative, which means it is forming instruction, token, and it's ongoing, while evaluation is summative and it means the final.
So my group mates have shared their topic. Now I will share to you the conclusions. So first, test. Test being developed to assess how well students have met the learning process. Measurement, it means determining the attributes or dimension of an object, skills, or knowledge, especially in education. Assessment, It simply means the assessment of students know and can do. It is also fundamental effective to teaching and students learning. Evaluation in education. Evaluation is a process of using measurement gathered in the assessments. Teachers evaluate students know and understand. So the overall conclusions of our topic is test, measurement, and evaluation are concepts used in education to explain how progress of learning and the final learning outcomes of students who are assessed. So thank you for watching our vlog.